Hello everyone. Welcome back to Home Inspiration Studios, your destination for all things house design ideas. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. Today, we're journeying into the arid landscapes to explore Desert Oasis Homes design. This is a style that doesn't fight the desert, it embraces it, creating a sanctuary of cool elegance and natural beauty. Get ready to have your mind changed about what a desert home can be, because we're showing you 10 of the very best. Desert Oasis Homes design is a specialized architectural approach that focuses on creating a harmonious and functional living space within an arid, hot climate. The oasis, part of the name is key. It's about designing a refuge from the harsh sun and extreme temperatures, a place of coolness and tranquility. This design style is defined by its deep understanding of the environment. It utilizes natural cooling strategies, selects materials that can withstand the climate, and creates a seamless connection between the home and the rugged, natural beauty of the landscape. It's a style that celebrates simplicity, using clean lines and a minimalist palette to highlight the home's striking form against the vast, open desert sky. Building a home that is specifically designed for a desert climate comes with a wealth of unique benefits. First, these homes are built for energy efficiency. They often incorporate passive solar design to minimize heat gain during the day and maximize heat retention at night, leading to significantly lower cooling and heating costs. Second, they are incredibly low maintenance. The exterior materials are chosen for their durability against intense sun and dry conditions, and the landscaping, known as xeriscaping, requires little to no water. Third, a well-designed desert home offers a profound connection to nature. The wide open spaces, clear skies, and rugged beauty of the desert become an integral part of the living experience. It's a style that is sustainable, practical, and offers a unique sense of peace and privacy. The exterior of a desert oasis home is all about blending with the landscape while creating a sense of calm and coolness. The choice of materials is crucial. Consider using natural stone, concrete, and stucco in earthy tones to complement the surrounding environment. To add warmth and contrast, incorporate weathered wood or dark metal accents. Creating shaded outdoor areas is essential. A large, overhanging roof, a covered patio, or a strategic use of canopies can create a cool sanctuary from the sun. When it comes to landscaping, think smart. Xeriscaping is the practice of using drought-tolerant, native plants like cacti, succulents, and grasses. Incorporate natural elements like large rocks and gravel pathways to create a visually appealing, low-maintenance, and water-wise yard. Now, let's take a look at 10 incredible homes that perfectly embody the spirit of the desert oasis. One, the modern white and wood oasis. This stunning, single-story home is a perfect example of a modern desert retreat. The exterior is a clean, white stucco with a flat roofline. Large, floor-to-ceiling windows and sliding glass doors line the facade, opening the home to the outdoors. A section of the house is clad in warm wood siding, creating a beautiful contrast. A sleek, rectangular swimming pool extends from the side of the home, with a minimalist edge, and the ground is a mix of natural rocks and low-lying desert shrubs. 2. The geometric stone and stucco house. This two-story home is a masterpiece of geometric design. It features a bold, dark gray siding and a prominent section with natural, light-colored stone cladding. The home has multiple large, dark-framed windows and a second-story balcony with a simple glass railing. The structure sits on a natural, rocky desert landscape, and the clean, angular design feels both sophisticated and rugged. 3. The angled roof sanctuary. This unique home uses a striking, angular design to create a sense of drama. The exterior is a mix of a clean, dark gray siding and a warm, natural wood. The most prominent feature is the large, sloped roof that extends out to cover a wide wooden deck, creating a much-needed shaded area. A small, rectangular swimming pool is visible in the distance, and the home is nestled in a rocky, arid landscape. 4. The clean white plunge pool retreat. This simple, single-story home is the epitome of minimalist desert living. The exterior is a crisp, clean white stucco with a flat roofline. A large, glass sliding door opens up to a wide wooden deck that features a small, rectangular plunge pool. The home is surrounded by a vast, dry landscape with a few desert plants and rocks, and the design feels incredibly peaceful and open. 5. The expansive desert vista home. This large, multi-volume home is designed to take in the vastness of the desert. The exterior is a mix of a light-colored siding and warm wood cladding. The home has a flat roof and features multiple large, floor-to-ceiling windows. A wide deck with a glass railing extends from the front, and a hot tub is visible, offering a place to relax and enjoy the endless views of the desert landscape. 6. The minimalist stone dwelling. This single-story home uses natural materials to create a seamless connection with the environment. The exterior is a uniform, light-colored stone, which blends perfectly with the rocky landscape. The home has a flat roof and a large, recessed section that creates a shaded outdoor living area. The large windows bring in natural light, and the design is simple, elegant, and timeless. 7. The rugged stone and concrete residence. This two-story home is a powerful, rugged design built to withstand the elements. The exterior is a prominent, natural stone facade. The upper level is a large, cantilevered volume that creates a covered patio area below. The home is built into a rocky hillside, and the design feels incredibly solid and at one with the environment. 8. The sculptural white and poolside home. This home is a work of art, with a complex and sculptural design. The exterior is a clean, light-colored facade with many different angles and a flat roofline. The home features a long, narrow swimming pool that follows the shape of the building, with a simple stone border. The large, dark-framed windows add contrast, and the overall design feels incredibly unique and modern. 9. The grassy oasis in the desert. This two-story home has a clean, minimalist design with a surprising twist, a lush green lawn. The exterior is a simple, light-colored siding, with a flat roof and a second-story balcony with a metal railing. The large windows and sliding doors open up to the green grass, which creates a striking contrast with the dry, desert landscape and cacti visible just beyond the lawn. 10. The dark and wooden hillside retreat. This home is a perfect example of a modern, efficient design for a sloped desert lot. The exterior is a mix of a dark, vertical siding and a warm wood cladding. The home has a shed roofline and a prominent covered outdoor area with a small pool. A large wooden deck extends from the front, and the design is both sophisticated and perfectly suited for its rocky and arid surroundings. Desert oasis homes are a testament to the power of design to create beauty and comfort in any environment. They prove that with a little creativity and a deep respect for nature, you can build a home that is not only a sanctuary for you but also a thoughtful and sustainable addition to the landscape. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Homes Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.